Hi guys, we send smartphone from China. We make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience in smartphone since 2010. We can deliver the global version lock phones, global version smartphones, global version Xiaomi smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and other cities in mainland of China. We can make free import duty to Europe Union countries by fast shipping. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you want to make B2B business of smartphones and Xiaomi products, like phones, you can contact with us. This is Realme X2 Pro smartphone. And let's unbox it and review it. The phone has 4 colors: white color, blue color, red color, and gray color. This is blue color. Okay, let's turn it on. The first comment is Realme logo. Let's enter into the menu. Okay, now we had to enter into the menu. It supports all Google applications, include Google Play Store. Let's have a look about the phone. Android 9.0 operating system. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon Qualcomm 855 Plus octa-core, 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, Android 9.0 Pie operating system. And here we can see here are all the language menus it supports. Global language menu. It is a 6.5 inch 20:9 radio. (402 ppi density, 2400 pixels, and by 1080 pixels. It's from glasses, and back glasses are 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core, 2.96 GHz, and its memory have 64GB ROM, 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 8GB RAM, or 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM. Its front camera is 16 megapixel. f2.0 aperture, and its main camera a quad camera, 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 13 megapixel f2.5 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with dual LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4000 mAh battery built-in. It supports 50-watt fast battery charging. Full battery charge only need 35 minutes. It supports fingerprint under the display. And support NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. Let's have a look at the SIM card slot. It supports dual nano SIM card only. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. It will come one piece silicon case. Very good quality silicon case. One piece manual and warranty certificate. One piece a jet pen. One piece Type-C USB cable. Here's the charger. 50-watt fast charger. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, Realme 8 Pro, you can place the order directly.